Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter sync up problem on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window, and we will just go down here to look to click here on apps, and we will go to this is window here. Like you say, we will go down here to looking for Twitter app. We'll just go down here, and this is window like you say. So we will click here on Twitter, then we come to next window here. We will click here on force stop, then we click here on OK, and we click here on storage. Then we come to storage window. We will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Twitter settings.